These wings are fried twice, and that's exactly what makes them so crispy. Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making Tebasaki, Nagoya's iconic crispy chicken wings, brushed with a sweet and savory soy glaze. Tebasaki is a local specialty from Nagoya, a city home to some of Japan's most distinctive local food culture. Beyond Tebasaki, Nagoya is also home to dishes you won't find anywhere else in Japan. Take hitsumabushi, finely chopped grilled eel served over rice, enjoyed multiple ways. Or miso katsu, a pork cutlet with a rich sauce made from miso. And tenmusu, an onigiri filled with shrimp tempura, just to name a few. On the surface, Nagoya looks like any other large Japanese city. Look closer and its uniqueness reveals itself at every turn, especially in its food. If you're traveling between Tokyo and Kyoto, it's right along the way. Well worth a stop. Alright, let's start cooking. Start by making the glaze. Combine the soy sauce, sugar, sake, mirin, and grated garlic in a small saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until it thickens slightly. Set aside. Next, prep the wings. Remove the wings from the refrigerator 13 minutes before cooking and pat dry with paper towels. Cold wings cause the oil temperature to drop, leading to uneven cooking. Score between the bones with a knife. This makes the meat easier to eat and helps it cook through more evenly. Season with salt and pepper. Coat the wings evenly with potato starch, shaking off any excess. Too much starch makes the coating heavy. Dust just enough to cover the surface in a thin, even layer. Now, the first fry. Heat the oil to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Small bubbles should rise slowly from the tip of a chopstick. It's ready. Fry the wings for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Avoid overcrowding the pan. Adding too many wings to the oil at once will cause a sudden drop in temperature. Stable oil temperature is the key to crispy, juicy wings. Then flip and fry for another 3 minutes. Remove the wings and rest for 5 minutes. Place the wings on a wire rack, not a plate, so excess oil and steam can escape. This helps maintain a crispy coating. Now, the second fry. Raise the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Larger bubbles should spread vigorously around a chopstick. It's ready. Fry for 1 minute on each side until deep golden and crispy. This second fry at high heat is what crisps the exterior to that light, golden finish. Remove and drain briefly. Brush with the glaze while still hot. Unlike many glazed wings, Nagoya-style Tebasaki is brushed with the sauce rather than tossed in it. This keeps the coating crispy while still delivering the full sweet and savory flavor in every bite. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted white sesame seeds.
Itadakimasu!
See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.